Let's start this eye makeup tutorial. Apply maroon shade on the eyelid. Take more product and do blending well. Take transition shade and apply on above crease. Blending well. Take little bit darker shade from transition shade and apply on crease. And do blend. Blending is most important part of makeup. Take dark maroon shade and do apply on outer V corner. Apply highlighter on brow bone. Take blue shimmery shade and apply on mid eyelid. Reapply blue shimmery shade with finger for good pigment. Take light brown and light maroon mixed shade and apply on deep crease. Take highlighter and do apply on inner V corner. Take light pink shade and do apply on inner lash line. Apply liquid eye glitter on eyelid. Apply eyeliner. Apply white pencil on waterline. Apply mascara. Apply false lashes. Enjoy final look. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel, Bushra Imal.